In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a calendar so that your new schedule is populated in your Google Calendar like this, and it will just take a few clicks. So let's get started. I'm going to begin by coming down here to Other Calendars and click Add Other Calendars, and then choose Create New Calendar. This calendar will be called Sullivan Distance Learning, and create calendar. Takes a minute to create the calendar. So I've got that calendar now. I'm going to click back out of settings, and I'm going to come down here. I see Sullivan Distance Learning calendar is selected. I'm going to come down again to Other Calendars, click on plus, and go to Import. Select from your computer. And then I have this distance learning schedule.ics, which should be shared with you. You should get a link to this file. I'm clicking open that, and I see that I'm adding distance learning schedule.ics to which calendar. I'm going to choose Sullivan Distance Learning, the calendar I just created, and click import. Takes a minute. And I see imported 781 out of 781 events. These are, I made the calendar last until July. We know we need 6 weeks, but I figured give it an end date, but make sure it's long enough. So those are all imported. Coming down here to clicking out of settings, that's the part you have to remember. Come back to Sullivan Distance Learning, and I see nothing in my calendar, but why is that? It's because it doesn't exist yet. I go to next week, and there are all the events for the new calendar. So I hope that helps. The next step I would do is make a second copy. Keep one copy that has all of the events in it for reference, and then make another copy if you don't teach a particular period. For example, E is a planning period for me. So I'm going to remove that. Delete event, this and following events. Then I like to go through and color code my classes so that I can see which periods are the same. So I'll give you a preview of what that looks like after I've got mine adjusted. So some color coding like this can really help you to make sense of what you're looking at with your schedule. If you want to change the color of a class, what you're going to do is click on that class, click Edit Event. You can change the name of the class to what it is. And then right here where you get this event color, you can choose, I want my CS class to be peacock color, and click Save. Choose this event and following events, and it will color code all of those meetings. I think peacock looks a little bit too close to sage to me. Nice job, Google. But that's how you color code your schedule, so you can make some meaning with the color when you look at your schedule. And then if you have a copy with the full schedule, you can also turn that on and look at both your schedule and what's going on in general. So I hope that helps. Good luck, everyone.